Hello, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. So we are unboxing a carbon fiber dashboard for Lowrider S 2020. Well, I mean, technically it's what, 2017. It's not just a Lowrider S, it's a Lowrider, and they have dashboards for the 2020 models. You could also put this on your 2018s, 2019s. It's just a lowrider, and they also have them for the 2021 to 2023 models, the updated dashboard, so, or the cover, whatever you want to call it. So Powerjames, you can find these carbon fiber pieces for about, I mean, if you buy them you know, somewhere else, you're probably looking at about 400 bucks, $350 to $400. So this one, I believe it's made in China. Okay, so that would be the difference between what you get with the you know, the competitor. So these guys are located here in California, Walnut, California. It's about an hour and a half from San Jose. So let's just go ahead and open it. You guys can take a look what this looks like, and of course we're gonna look at the quality of it too as well. So packaging looks pretty solid. I mean, there's no bubble wrap or anything like that, just a little bit of a soft foam. That looks like that's about it. We have some tape and some foam, and you can see the carbon fiber on the inside. Let's go ahead and open it. This is extremely light. It doesn't weigh like anything. It's pretty impressive. You guys can see how thick the material is. It's not too thick. It's probably 1 mil, maybe about 1 mil. But you know what? It looks really good. You can actually see the two parts, but you can't see it up here. So as far as quality wise, I don't see a seam on the outside, which is, you know, pretty impressive. You know, looking for a seam, looking for a cut. Of course, this could be like a double layer. You have, yeah, because I can feel the seam right here on this piece. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. You can see and feel the seam right here. So I'm guessing that's another piece, and of course you can see the other seams right here as well. The different pieces that they put together to make this carbon fiber piece, and then of course you can see another one right here. But it doesn't look like it transfers over to the top. Looking for seams and stuff like that. The clear coat is evenly sprayed, or I'm not sure how they do it. I believe they pour it on there, or they probably spray it, but the finish is really high quality. I mean, it's really smooth. I mean, it's really impressive. Unlike, you know, some of the other parts that I featured on the channel, where the clear coat is a little spotty and you can see the orange peel and stuff like that. But this is a showroom finish quality piece. You can just see how well the clear looks. Of course, like I said, I'm still looking for a seam on the outside. The inside piece, you could definitely notice all the different pieces that they put together. But man, this is a high quality piece for the price. Yeah, I'm looking for seams. I don't see them. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe somewhere in the camera you'll be able to pick it up. But it's blended very nicely. You know, I'm looking right here. I don't know. I don't see the seams. So, you know, it's just high quality stuff. The pattern kind of mixes up here a little bit, so I guess there's a seam right there. But it blends in really, you know, very nicely. You can see how the pattern changes right about that area. But you know, this is of course on the inside of the fairing. You're not going to be able to see it, but as far as, you know, visually what you could see, I mean, this is, you know, this looks really good. All right, there's helmets with far lesser quality, you know, carbon fiber patterns and stuff like that, but yeah, this is extremely light. I think for the thickness it should be pretty durable. I don't believe it, you know, there shouldn't be any issues, but yeah, you can kind of see it right here how it changes a little bit. You don't really see the seam at all, but you can see that the pattern just, there's a slight difference, and that's what I think, that's what we can see here. So you know what, it's a nice piece for the price. Like I said, I'm really impressed with the overall finish of the piece. Now this is an aftermarket, you know, part. It's an aftermarket piece, so we don't know if it's going to you know, fit properly. I just saw a video with Marvel Kid 87 where they had to modify a carbon fiber piece for a CVO 121. So yeah, just stay tuned for the install video. We'll see if it mounts up as it should. Based off of the packaging, it looks like the seal or the gasket is not included with the piece, with the dash. So you'll have to either reuse your stock seal on your Lowrider S, or you could, you know, get another door trim and then just use that. But the trim piece on your OEM dashboard, you know, you could easily remove it and just transfer it over to this one, and it should work. But yeah, it's a really good looking piece, guys, for the, you know, for the money. It looks really nice. I'm really impressed with the finish. Some people don't like that rugged finish that the Lowrider S has on the struts, on the forks, and on your dash. You guys stay out there, stay safe. Just an unboxing video. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.